Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 100. In this video, I'll be taking apart a Fisher PH-M85. It's a stereo microcassette recorder that fits in this boombox. The boombox is a PH-M88, and we'll take a look inside of that in the next video. In this one, we're going to take a look inside of the cassette recorder. Here's a couple of the tapes. We can guess what this album is. It truly is Dark Side of the Moon. Here's a cassette and the song listing. So it's a portable cassette recorder boombox. It also has an AM/FM radio. To remove the cassette recorder, there's a release button here. It pops up, and you lift it out. Alright, I'm going to set things aside, and I'm going to get my tools out, and then we'll start looking at the cassette recorder. I've got everything set aside. Two of the issues that I'm having with it is when you press play, you hear a squeal coming from the audio output. There's also a slight grinding noise of gears. It does play. You can see it rotating there. Back to the squealing sound. It's not a mechanical squeal. It's definitely electronic. And you hear it on the boombox, and I also hear it if I have headphones hooked up, or through the line output of the boombox. Anyway, before we get into this, let's take a look around the outside. We have a normal and metal position for the tape, speed control, standard transport controls, fast forward, rewind, 2 volume controls, left and right microphones and headphones, power jack. Here's the 2 built-in microphones. There's a transfer button on the bottom for when it's inserted into the boombox. There's an OSC switch, which is a beat cancel for if you're recording AM radio, and a tape counter. Now let's get inside and see if we can find out why it's squealing and why those gears are grinding. I'm going to pull the batteries out, and then I'm going to start getting some screws out. I'm going to pause for a minute. I also want to point out, under one of the batteries are the speed controls, 2.4 centimeters per second and 1.2 centimeters per second, and those are for adjusting your tape speed. If you have it set to 1.2 centimeters, you would adjust the 1.2 centimeter adjustment. Also, it connects to the boombox through these pins. I've got the screws out. I'm going to see if I can open this. I'm going to pause for a moment and try to get this cover off. I got it off. Now I want to point out something I noticed interesting. Looks like something got a little bit warm. I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but there's some discoloration in a couple of the wires in there. I should try to get this board out so I can look at the other side. I'm going to pause again and see if I can get this board loose. I got it kind of lifted out of the way. A couple spots look like it got a little toasty. I'm going to go through and test these capacitors. Oh, here's a close-up of the tiny little stereo head. Like I was saying, I'm going to test the capacitors. I'm going to clean these contacts along with the switches that are controlled by play, rewind, and fast forward. Here's the transfer switch. I'll clean that while I'm in here. As for the grinding sound, there was a little piece of plastic that was sitting on one of the gears. Looks like it had broken off of a cassette. Anyway, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.